Okay guys, so today we're going to be fitting the paint protection for the door shuts. So obviously we've started off, we've cleaned it all up and you can see how bad it is there. We've cleaned anything off that we can prior to doing this. What I'm going to do is, because we're getting dead close to that rubber there and I don't want it off, I'm just going to peel that seal off there. It just gives us a bit more room to manoeuvre there. So 2 pieces come in each pack. As you can see, we're going to go for the carbon because we think that'll look well on the gloss black. And obviously it's going to cover this because it is quite bad. They do a clear version as well, so you could touch that in first and obviously go over it with clear. But we're going to choose to do this one. So with the kit, you can choose to buy the liquid and the squidgy as well. It does come with an instruction manual, but we just thought a physical video may be better. So obviously you get your instructions there. And your 2 pieces, which is like so. So it will be that one for around here, and then obviously one for the other side there. So we're going to use the liquid just for, but you can use any soapy water, but obviously this is the specific stuff for it. So you just basically dampen everything down. There's no dirt in there. And this just allows you to manoeuvre it about and get it in the correct position before it dries, basically. So we're just going to peel it off the backing, and you're just going to basically start following that line round as best you can and onto there. So you can see obviously it squidges about a bit at the moment, but we'll just move that up to cover that bit. Okay, so we've got it in position there, so we're covering it all. You can still see it's not properly stuck down yet, so don't be too harsh on moving it, but we just needed to cover that bit. It was quite bad on this car, so we've had to go right up to the top, and you can see it's not quite stuck yet. So again, heat is what we need. So obviously, keep warming it, keep drying it. Get your little squidgy tool and just push it in all the areas until all the water comes out. Thumb's also a good squidgy, just don't get it too hot. And that's it basically guys, so obviously be careful with it, keep drying it until you can't get any more liquid out of it. Should be nice and warm to the touch obviously. You can get these on our website www.KillAllChrome.com. Keep liking, subscribing, watching the videos, etc. Until next time.